Hello, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are. We request you to support the School for All Burundians, Ishure ry'Abarundi Bose, so as we raise the fundraising for buying a new studio equipment. This equipment will help us to speak for the speechless, to plead for unprivileged people, to make a research which enables us to teach, to help people to solve their problems and achieve their life goals. The reason behind this fundraising is that some times back, thieves entered our house and stole all the communication tools we were using. Now, we work difficultly. Besides the lack of equipment, we don't have power. And when it rains, the rain affects our recordings. This is the reason why we request your support so as we overcome all these problems.